In this video we will learn how to reuse your same potting soil again and again. There is no need to buy potting soil every time you make a container garden. You can reuse the same old soil. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from urban gardening. After a good growing season, nutrients in the soil will deplete and reusing the same potting soil will result in lackluster or weak plants. To avoid this, we will work the soil. First, we will remove all plant remains and weeds from the container. Use a trowel to turn the soil. Turning the soil will make it light and fluffy, which will help the plants to develop a strong root system. Now remove 30% of the soil from the container and add same amount of organic compost into it. I am using vermicompost, but you can also add decomposed cow dung, horse manure, leaf compost or any other organic compost. Adding compost to the potting mix will not only increase its fertility, but it will also make it more friable and improve its ability to hold moisture. We will repeat the same procedure with the second container. Addition of organic compost is very important if you are using recycled potting soil, as many of its essential nutrients and minerals may have been taken up by plants the previous season. Now our containers are ready for plantation. Gently take out the seedling from the pot with the help of a gardening tool and carefully separate them. Make 2 to 3 inch deep holes in the potting mix. In pot number 1, we will plant Chinese cabbage, and in pot number 2, we will plant broccoli. We can easily plant 5 to 6 plants in container of this size, but make sure you keep 4 to 6 inch gap between two plants for better growth. Water in thoroughly. After 2 days, After 18 days,
when the rest of me is down, you enchant me. Even
after 42 days,
around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
at this point you can harvest the outermost leaves for salad and other stuffs. After 55 days, at this stage you can harvest Chinese cabbage by removing the whole head.
Up in your touch, feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
Broccoli will need 25 to 30 days more to reach the harvesting stage.